you doing it?
What's up, Froth Dogs? On the last video, we carved wood with rubber on the timber peaks of Glengarry. Today, we're sticking with the Gippy goodness, Froth Soft Chops, and in the Maryvale Pines.
Get Puff Chops. Get Puff Chops. Get Puff Chops with the Froth.
We're just heading out to Maryvale Pines to ride some blue trails. We've done the black trails video, so it's only fair we do a blue. The Pines is probably where I ride the most. It's only a couple of k's from my house, so it's super convenient and it's super sick. There's not too much elevation out here, so it's really good to see how fun trails can still be built without being on a mountain.
What trails are we doing today, Froth?
The blue trails.
The blue trails?
Yeah.
Awesome. Can't wait.
We'll just do the fun blue ones.
Yeah.
So the downhill,
Lucky's, Top Gun.
Essential Services, and Sandbar. Even though this trail is called downhill, if you want to put in a fast time, be prepared to pedal. It's hard to know how much to trust it, like the corners.
Yeah, you're going like, oh, mate, it's so hard to do.
Has a fair bit of grip there though. Or we could do Essential Services and then do Top Gun.
Yep. And then up to Lockies and...
Up to Lockies, yeah. What's going on?
Hey, Chris.
You're a bit late, mate. You sharing with Jason?
Yeah, Jason. How you doing, man? Tyler.
How far's Jace? I don't think this is extreme enough for him. Can't I follow you?
Yeah.
Essential Services. Oh. Oh, short travel Steve's gonna be happy. Following the Steve's King. I was so close to your wheel then. Whew. Oh, nice! The Sumba Trail is becoming a local favourite, and I think that's due to the new awesomely built timber berms. I reckon we do Top Gun.
Yeah.
How do we get there from here? Is that hard?
Up that way. Back up that other far road.
Oh yeah. And then we can just pedal back up to Lockies.
Yeah.
Chris can show us how to get the com on Top Gun.
What is a com?
The com is the king or queen of the mountain. To get a com, you have to put in the fastest time on a time segment using an app called Strava. It's like a race without a race, and Chris has got a bunch of coms, including Top Gun.
The bottom of the dip, change down 2 gears. What? It's serious?
Bottom of the dip, change down 2 gears.
Yeah, so you get the pedal so you're not pushing too hard up the thing.
He's showing us how to get the comb. Yeah. All right, show us the line. Oh, off the corner. Woo. Awesome. So basically to get the comb you got to pedal up. It's time to hit Lockie's track. I think this is the flowiest and probably the most popular trail here. Oh yeah! Oh. 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 Oh, oh, sick. That was good.
I could hear me.
Yeah, you were. That was wicked. That was sick. Oh no. I feel like we gotta do it again. Yeah! Are we having a Schwab contest, Chris? Talk to me, mate. Oh, I just thought we were having a Schwab contest.
I only got Schwalb off Zane. He said it was a Schwalb.
Did he?
Someone want to explain the definition?
How do you go off the corner, get soil everywhere, and absolutely
Try
kick
and
the
rip
rim?
the back part off the rim.
We'll fix it later, of course. That's just a small taste of some of our favourite blue trails in the Maryvale Pines. This place wouldn't be so good without the hard-working trail crew. If you enjoy the trails, you can support the trails by donating directly to the donation box, the Trailforce app, or buying Maryvale Pines merch from Gippy Cycles. A huge shout out to everyone in this video. There's just too many legends in this one to tag them all. If you enjoyed this one, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.